Have you ever thought about how tricky it can be for businesses to keep their data accurate, especially when it's constantly changing?
Yeah, absolutely. Like, imagine a company with a huge inventory and prices are always fluctuating.
Exactly. That's the sort of problem we're diving into today. It could be a real headache, right?
For sure. And it's more common than you might think. In fact, I know a software engineer, Mayuri from Tayana Solutions, who helped a client deal with this exact issue.
Okay, so tell me more about this. What kind of business was this client?
They were a big retail business, and like you said, keeping their prices accurate was absolutely essential, not just for their own financial stability, but also to maintain trust with their customers.
So what was the main challenge they were facing? I mean, was it simply a matter of people making manual errors when entering data?
Not really, no. It was more about having control over when certain fields could be edited. Think about it. What if someone accidentally changed the price of a product after an order had already been shipped?
Oh, wow. Yeah, that would create chaos. I can see how that could lead to all sorts of problems.
Exactly. Financial discrepancies, logistical nightmares, you name it.
So how did Mayuri and her team at Tiana Solutions go about solving this?
They utilized a feature in Acumatica called cache attach.
Cash attached.
Yeah. And what's really cool about this is it lets developers customize how fields behave without actually changing Acumatica's core programming.
Oh, I see. Why is that so important?
Well, think about future upgrades. By not directly modifying Acumatica's code, you're basically adding a layer of customization on top. It's like instead of rewriting the original instructions, you're just adding your own notes in the margins.
That makes sense. So it makes it much cleaner and easier to manage further down the line.
Exactly. It avoids potential conflicts and keeps things running smoothly.
So back to Mayuri's client, can you give me a specific example of how cash attach helped them?
Sure. So they use it to create a rule that once an order is marked as shipped, the price field automatically becomes read only. No one can accidentally change it after that point.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
That's such a smart way to prevent those financial discrepancies that we were talking about.
Exactly. And it's not just about preventing errors. It also improves user satisfaction because the system becomes more reliable and easier to use.
So did the client see a positive impact after implementing this solution?
Absolutely. They saw a big decrease in the need for manual intervention and, of course, fewer errors. And like I said, their overall user satisfaction went up as well.
It sounds like using cash attach was a really successful solution for them.
Yeah, it really was.
For any of our listeners out there who might be struggling with similar data integrity challenges in Acumatica, Tiana Solutions really seems to have the expertise to help.
Definitely. They have a great track record of finding elegant solutions like this.
So think about it, everyone. How could dynamic field control using cache attach improve accuracy and efficiency in your own business processes? It might be worth exploring.